Today, P2, we are going to learn a little bit more about water. Now, we were talking about water an awful lot yesterday, and we have lots of information up on our whiteboard about water. We said yesterday that water is so important and it is needed for drinking, and we need water for washing, and plants need water to grow. And you've all been telling me all your stories this morning about how over the weekend you were building lots of snowmen. Now, snowmen in our pictures are all white. What colour do you think the water is? Didn't we say yesterday that water has a special word to describe its colour? We said water is colourless. So all your snowmen over the weekend, they've all gone. The sun's come out and your snowmen have melted with the heat. Now today we are going to look a little bit more about what else melts. Here I have some lovely ice. Oh, it's so cold. It's been in the freezer. And watch and look closely to see what happens to this ice when it gets put into the lovely warm water. It quickly disappears. You might hear it cracking. Very good. Now, do you hear the cracking? That is the ice melting. Now, the ice will disappear, and I want you to have a good hard think about where that ice disappears to, what it turns into. But also, have a look at this. Look what I've done. I've got two water balloons here. I have filled both of these balloons with water from the tap. Now this one, it's very soft and squidgy. You could throw it up and bounce it. But this one, it's very hard. It's freezing. I've put this one into the freezer. Now watch what happens when they go into the water. Woo! Now this one is floating in the water and this one is beginning to melt. What will happen when this one melts? I think it will turn back into this. Melted water. Now we did say water is colourless, but I think we can change that. Have a look closely at this. This is yellow food dye. What colour do you think it might turn the water? Have a look, wait and see. Now if we swish this around, I think our water will be yellow. Soon! Look at that, lovely yellow water. Now P2, it's your turn. I have set this all up out on your tables. The red table are going to watch the ice melting in water. The blue table are going to play with the water balloons. And the green table are going to add dye to their water to change the colour. So I want you to all go off and experiment. I think it's going to be lots of fun. Now remember, aprons on, water stays in the water tray. And I'm going to come round and ask you all lots of questions. And I think it's all going to be very exciting this morning.